Hi all, welcome back to Foodie Zest. In this episode, let's see how to make chicken lollipop Manchurian. So without wasting much time, let's check the ingredients. We need 6 chicken lollipops, quarter cup all-purpose flour and quarter cup plus 1 teaspoon of corn flour, water, then finely chopped ginger and garlic, 3 tablespoons each, green chilies finely chopped, again 3 tablespoons. Then we need capsicum, red and green. You can also add yellow capsicum if you want to make it more colorful. Take a small slice of each capsicum and finely chop them. Then we need a small sized onion, finely chopped. We need all the veggies to be finely chopped because we don't want any big chunks while eating this. Next we need SCHEZWAN sauce, 2 tablespoons and 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, half teaspoon sugar, and salt and pepper as per taste. And finally we need oil for deep frying. Now let's quickly start the preparations. First let's make the batter. For that, take a bowl and add the all-purpose flour and the corn flour, then around 1 tablespoon of rice flour, some salt and some pepper. Give it a mix. Then let's add the SCHEZWAN sauce. Add little water and make this into a slightly thick batter. This should be the consistency of the batter. It shouldn't be very runny as we need to coat the chicken pieces with this batter. Now let's dip each of the lollipop into the batter. And give it a nice coating. Now it's done. Let's marinate it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, into a saucepan, I have added enough oil for deep frying. And once the oil is hot, let's add the chicken pieces one by one. The oil should be medium hot. If the oil is too hot, the inside of the chicken won't be cooked well. So make sure you maintain the flame on medium. Fry them for about 6 to 8 minutes or until the coating becomes slightly golden in color. Let's take them out once they are perfectly done. Let's fry the remaining as well. As you can see, all the pieces are fried well. The coating has changed color into a nice golden brown. Now let's move on to the second part, that is making the sauce. For that, into a pan, let's add some oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add the ginger and garlic. Saute them for about 2 seconds or until the raw smell goes off. Now let's add the chopped green chilies. Next goes in the onion. Keep the flame on medium to high. And finally, let's add the chopped capsicums. Now you can adjust the flame to high or else the capsicum might become soggy. Saute them well until the capsicums and onions becomes nice and crispy. Add some salt. Once they are done, let's add around a tablespoon of water. And once the water boils, let's add the tomato ketchup. Give it a nice mix. And then let's add some more Szechuan sauce. We have already added some while frying the chickens. Combine everything well. Now let's add a bit of sugar, around a teaspoon of vinegar. Vinegar and sugar gives a nice balance of flavor. I had made a corn flour mixture by adding around a teaspoon of corn flour to 2 tablespoons of water, and let's add it now. This is to thicken the gravy. Then let's add some pepper powder. Again saute it well until everything gets the nice flavor. After 1 minute of sauteing, let's add the fried chicken pieces into the gravy. Cover the chicken pieces with the sauce and cook them for about 1 or 2 minutes or until the chicken gets the flavor of the sauce. If you want the dish to be more saucy, you can add a little more corn flour and water mixture. Now the chicken pieces are beautifully coated with the sauce. Now it's time to switch off the flame. At this point, if you want, you can add some spring onions. And now let's go for the plating. So our yummy chicken lollipop Manchurian is ready to be served. It's a finger-licking dish, so please try this at home and serve to your friends and family. So thanks for watching Foodie Zest. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to press the bell icon for getting the notifications. Let's meet again with a new interesting recipe.